that is not a valid budget.
Isa lang po ang mensahe ng complaint. No? Si Duterte ay kriminal, bastos, mamamatay tao, at siya nakapagpatay. Marami pong imitasyon.
Itong mga grupo nag-file ng disbarment case kay President Duterte ay panggulo na ito sa totoong issue. Dapat i-scrutinize nyo yung budget ng 2025. Masyadong masalimuot yun kung totoong may malasakit kayo sa bayan.
The BICAM report. It says that the Agricultural and Fisheries Modernization Program,
As a matter of fact, I would say, kung may mga blanco yan lumusot, that is not a valid legislation. Kung nasa batas na yan, lumabas na yan ng blanco-blanco, either it could be filled up before or after sa Congress, pagka ganon, what must be submitted is the true and correct figure coming out as prepared by the budget submitted to Congress for appropriation. Pagka putol-putol yan o may kulang, that is not a valid budget. It's not only inaccurate, but I think the budget is in totality invalid. Hindi na pwede mag-blanco-blanco dyan sa pera ng tao. Ano ka man? It's people's money. Maglagay ka ng mga mga provisions, but without the true and correct items or money that would be appropriated by Congress, by the people owning the money. So everything must be explained clear, patent, without doubt na itong pera na ito para ito sa ganito. Itong para na ito para sa eskwelahan, ito para sa agriculture. But you do not leave any item there vacant. Itong pera na ito blanco to be filled up later on. That is not allowed by law. And that budget is already I would like to remind Congress, mali ho yan. It's invalid. Please correct it. Or record the budget and demand an explanation kung bakit dumating sa inyo yan na ganun kablangko. We are not, para ka binigyan ka ng blanco check dyan, o sige, bahala na kung ano ilagay ninyo. In the same manner, yung mga blanco-blanco dyan, whatever or whoever corresponds to that particular item is free to just fill up the amount. That is not by all commandments of the law, that cannot be valid, invalid, unenforceable. And kung i-implement na, it must be corrected and the money returned if already spent or corrected. And kung sino man ang niyan, they have to give us an explanation. Otherwise, sabihin ko sa mga Pilipino, huwag na kayong bayad ng buwis ninyo. Ganun lang naman, pinagsasayang ito mga kumang na to, puro para check-in na blanco, then they try to pass it as a law, and they are free to choose now the amount which they want to place. Hindi natin alam kung ano ang reserva nila, kung anong gusto na ilagay, sobra doon sa pera natin. It could be that the money is in the hands of the government now, or future appropriations, or reserva ba ito? If it does not clear anything, then that is invalid. and not correct.